As you guys know, YouTube is promoting shorts day by day and the competition is increasing because of this. More and more channels are coming every single day to upload shorts, and they're not just posting 1 or 2 shots in a day, they're posting tens of shots, which makes it difficult to compete for you. Maybe because you're in school or working and it's hard to give time to this when you're just growing right now. But in this video I will tell you the easiest way to create shots by just doing nothing and using this AI tool. This AI tool can help you create hundreds of YouTube shorts in a day and you don't even have to work a dime for it. So this tool don't take your time, and you will be wondering like, it will cost a lot, right? But let me tell you, it's free. It's free, you don't even have to pay a single cent, and you can make hundreds of YouTube shorts by just using this tool. So let's begin. The tool name is video.ai, not video, it's vidyoa.ai. Now this tool saves time and money for you. You can use it, you can throw it, you can do whatever you want with it, but this is the tool which you need to make YouTube shorts. So for logging into this website, you can sign in from your account, Google account, or like Facebook, email, whatever you want, you can use it. But here you will see there's a 75 minutes only they give for free accounts which are using this website. Let me tell you one thing, what's stopping you from making Google accounts? Nothing, right? So you make more Google accounts and you can log in this website and get more time. So one thing guys, you can see on the banner above that the website is running slow and they know about this issue and they will fix it like in the next 48 hours. So if you log in right now and the website runs a little bit slow, so you just have to bear with it, they're fixing it on their end. Now let's come on to the main part of the video, how you can make videos from this tool. So what you have to do is you gotta come to this option TikTok and you have to upload a file here. Now you can upload a file or also paste a YouTube link, but you can see it's in beta, so I'll prefer to just download it and upload the file here. Once it's done, now you can select templates from this website. There are so many templates you can select, but you can also edit it after the video is done. So it's up to you, whatever you want, you can choose it. And let me tell you, the website is running pretty slow right now. You can already see the issue. So don't worry about the speed of this website. It will run pretty smoothly after a while. So once you upload the video and selected that template, you can also add your YouTube handle, TikTok handle, whatever you want, you can also add it. I'm not adding anything. So now you gotta just import it. Now you just have to wait like 5 to 10 minutes and this tool will give you almost around 10 clips from this video. Now you can wait, or you can also just close this tab and you will get notified via the email that your video is ready, so you can come and check it out. So I'll just close this tab and I'll wait for the email.
A few minutes later.
So I just received the email with the link of these videos of the clips which I just told this bot to make, and I just have to click it and you can see the clips. There are 10 clips with different text, title, captions. It's not the final product, so you can edit this.
Didn't it just come out today?
Yes.
The whistleblower?
Yeah.
And make sure it looks good on your side. You can select the font, style, and how you want your shots to look. And once it's done, it's ready to export. One thing guys, I want to tell you that there's no music option here, which is one drawback of this website. So you just have to add music yourself. So that's just one drawback of this website, that we need the music option, but it's not here. So you can just add the music from any normal editor, it won't take you long. So by using this method, you can make hundreds of shots in a day and you don't even have to work a lot for it. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.